Feeling constantly tired or struggling with belly fat that just won't budge? The root cause might be your liver health. Your liver is your body's natural detox powerhouse, working tirelessly to filter toxins, regulate metabolism, and maintain overall health. But when it becomes overloaded with fat, it can't function properly. This not only leads to fatigue and weight gain, but can also have long-term health consequences if ignored. The good news? You don't need expensive treatments or extreme diets to fix this. With just a few simple, science-backed steps, you can cleanse and detox your liver naturally. Imagine feeling energized, shedding stubborn weight, and giving your body the reset it deserves, all from making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to clean and detox your fatty liver. From diet tweaks to lifestyle upgrades, we'll cover it all. And here's the best part. We've saved an amazing bonus tip for the end that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. Your liver is an incredible organ. It's like the body's personal filter and energy manager. It processes everything you eat, drink, and breathe, working tirelessly to remove toxins, produce bile for fat digestion, and store essential nutrients. One of its key roles is metabolizing fats, turning them into energy or storing them for future use. However, when too much fat builds up in the liver, a condition known as fatty liver, it disrupts these processes. A fatty liver struggles to metabolize fats efficiently, leading to weight gain and persistent fatigue. It also hinders the detoxification process, allowing toxins to accumulate in the body, which can trigger chronic inflammation and even worsen conditions like insulin resistance. Understanding this is crucial because it's the first step in taking control of your health. By supporting your liver's natural detoxification process, you can help it perform better, boost your energy levels, and reduce inflammation. In the next point, we'll talk about specific steps you can take to start this process effectively. Excess sugar and refined carbs are some of the biggest culprits when it comes to a fatty liver. When you consume more sugar than your body needs, especially in the form of fructose or simple carbs, your liver converts the excess into fat. Over time, this fat accumulates in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease and impairing its ability to detoxify your body effectively. To protect your liver, it's essential to cut back on sugary drinks, pastries, white bread, and processed snacks. These foods spike your blood sugar and overload your liver with fat. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like whole grains, such as oats and brown rice, which provide steady energy without overburdening your liver. Naturally sweet fruits like berries and apples are also great options. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants, which support liver health. By swapping out refined carbs and sugary treats for wholesome, nutrient-rich foods, you'll not only reduce fat buildup in your liver, but also improve your overall energy and metabolic health. Start small. Switch your soda for water or herbal tea, and swap white bread for whole grain versions. These small changes can make a big difference. Incorporating liver-friendly foods into your diet is one of the most effective ways to support and detox your liver naturally. Certain foods are packed with nutrients that help reduce fat buildup, combat inflammation, and enhance your liver's ability to detoxify. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are liver superstars. They're rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which help neutralize toxins and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, are also powerful allies. They contain compounds like sulforaphane that stimulate liver detoxification enzymes and help flush out harmful substances. Don't forget about healthy fats. Foods like avocados and olive oil provide essential fatty acids and anti-inflammatory properties that protect the liver from damage while promoting fat metabolism. Including these in your meals not only supports your liver, but also improves your overall heart and metabolic health. To get started, aim to fill half your plate with vegetables at every meal. Add a drizzle of olive oil to your salad or enjoy avocado on whole grain toast. These small dietary changes can work wonders for reducing liver fat and inflammation, giving your body the detox boost it needs. Staying hydrated is essential for keeping your liver functioning at its best. Water plays a vital role in liver detoxification, helping to flush out toxins and transport nutrients throughout the body. When you're dehydrated, your liver struggles to perform these tasks efficiently, which can lead to fatigue and a buildup of harmful substances. In addition to drinking plenty of water, you can support your liver further with herbal teas. Dandelion root tea is a popular choice. It's known to promote bile production, which aids in fat digestion and detoxification. Green tea is another excellent option, packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the liver from damage and reduce fat accumulation. To maximize these benefits, aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and consider swapping your afternoon coffee or sugary drink for a soothing cup of herbal tea. Staying hydrated not only supports your liver, but also boosts your overall energy and well-being. Small changes like these can make a big impact on your liver health. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to support liver health and reduce fat accumulation. Exercise helps burn triglycerides, the fats stored in your liver, by increasing your body's energy demands. When you engage in physical activity, your liver mobilizes these stored fats and converts them into energy, helping to reduce fatty deposits and improve liver function. You don't need to become a gym fanatic to see results. Simple activities like brisk walking or cycling for 30 minutes a day can make a significant difference. Yoga is another great option, offering a low-impact way to reduce stress and improve circulation, both of which support liver health. If you're looking to build strength, incorporating light weightlifting or bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups can enhance metabolism and fat burning even further. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week to see meaningful changes. Start with activities you enjoy and gradually build up your routine. Not only will you help your liver detox, but you'll also improve your overall energy, mood, and fitness. Alcohol and environmental toxins are major stressors for your liver. When you consume alcohol, your liver works overtime to break it down, producing harmful byproducts in the process. Over time, excessive drinking can lead to inflammation, scarring, and fat buildup in the liver. Similarly, exposure to environmental toxins from processed foods, household chemicals, and pollution adds to the liver's workload, hindering its detoxification capabilities. To reduce this burden, start by limiting or avoiding alcohol altogether. If you do drink, stick to moderation. No more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men, as recommended by health guidelines. Additionally, take steps to minimize toxin exposure in your daily life. Choose organic or minimally processed foods when possible, as these contain fewer pesticides and additives. Opt for natural cleaning products and personal care items free from harsh chemicals. Small changes, like using a reusable water bottle to avoid plastics or incorporating air-purifying plants in your home, can also help reduce toxin exposure. These actions not only ease the load on your liver, but also contribute to a cleaner, healthier lifestyle overall. Supplements can play a supportive role in detoxifying and improving the health of a fatty liver. Certain natural compounds have been shown to boost liver function and reduce inflammation, making them popular choices for liver support. Milk thistle is one of the most well-known liver supplements. It contains silymarin, an antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage and aids in regeneration. Turmeric, with its active ingredient curcumin, is another powerful option. It helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are common in fatty liver disease. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil supplements can help reduce liver fat and improve cholesterol levels, further supporting liver health. While these supplements can be beneficial, it's crucial to approach them with caution. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Supplements should complement, not replace, a healthy diet and lifestyle. By combining the right supplements with other liver-friendly practices, you can give your liver the support it needs to function at its best. Adequate sleep is essential for liver health because your body performs crucial repair and detoxification processes during rest. At night, while you sleep, your liver works to break down toxins, regulate blood sugar levels, and metabolize fats. Poor sleep disrupts these processes, leaving your liver overburdened and increasing the risk of fat buildup and inflammation. To support your liver, focus on improving your sleep hygiene. Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light from phones and computers can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that promotes sleep. Creating a calming bedtime routine, such as reading, meditating, or practicing gentle stretches, can also help prepare your body for rest. Additionally, ensure your bedroom environment is conducive to sleep. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your liver the time it needs to recharge and repair. These simple habits can go a long way in improving both your sleep and overall liver health. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for supporting liver health. By giving your body extended breaks between meals, fasting allows your liver to focus on repairing and detoxifying rather than constantly metabolizing food. It also encourages the liver to burn stored fat for energy, helping to reduce fat buildup and improve liver function. One beginner-friendly approach is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you could eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. until noon the next day. During the fasting period, you can still drink water, herbal teas, or black coffee, which won't break the fast but will keep you hydrated and energized. It's important to ease into fasting and listen to your body. Start with shorter fasting periods if needed, and focus on consuming nutrient-dense meals during your eating window. While intermittent fasting isn't for everyone, those who practice it often experience improved metabolism, reduced liver fat, and enhanced energy levels. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying fasting, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Monitoring your progress with a doctor is crucial when addressing fatty liver. While lifestyle changes can make a significant difference, medical guidance ensures you're on the right track and helps catch any potential complications early. A healthcare provider can assess the severity of your fatty liver through diagnostic tools like ultrasounds or blood tests and provide personalized recommendations. Routine blood tests, such as liver function tests, are particularly useful for tracking improvements. These tests measure enzymes and other markers that reflect how well your liver is performing. Regular check-ins with your doctor can help you evaluate the effectiveness of your diet, exercise, and other interventions, allowing for adjustments as needed. For those with advanced fatty liver or related conditions like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, medical oversight is even more critical. Your doctor may recommend additional treatments or closely monitor your liver's health to prevent further damage. Remember, your liver is resilient, but recovery takes time and consistency. Partnering with your doctor ensures a safe and effective journey toward better liver health and overall well-being. From eating liver-friendly foods and staying hydrated to incorporating regular exercise and cutting back on sugar, these small yet impactful changes can work wonders in detoxing and revitalizing your liver. Each step you take helps reduce fat buildup, improve energy levels, and support your body's natural detoxification process. Remember, your liver works tirelessly every day to keep you healthy. It's time to give it the care and attention it truly deserves. By making these habits part of your daily routine, you're not just improving your liver health but also investing in your overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more health advice, and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or any questions you have about liver health. Together, let's take the first step toward a healthier, happier you.